So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Morpen Laboratory share. So we know that today the stock has retraced from the levels that we have discussed in our previous videos. So we know that 2 to 3 days back, we have done the complete analysis of Morpen Labs. That is, we have done the Q4 result analysis and followed by we have seen the technicals. So we have found that 55 to 60 rupees region is going to be very important and the stock will retrace from that particular levels, and today exactly it has done that. So opening itself, the buying volume was generated and again the stock has hit the upper circuit of 61 rupees. So now we'll try to understand what would be the next possible targets, because many people are holding it from 70 rupees level, that is they were having little loss. So clearly I told them don't sell any share, especially people who have bought in heavy quantities. So for them I told definitely hold it, it will retrace. So little patience is required and today it has done that. So nothing to worry, we'll do the complete delivery analysis and then we'll switch out to the charts to find out next possible supports and resistances. So if you have not joined the Telegram group, do join it. So in that we'll discuss all the latest updates and the stocks which we are discussing on regular basis. So all of them are performing very well. So if you're already joined, you might be knowing how the stocks are performing, and I would recommend all of you to even subscribe to our secondary channel, that is Stocks Diary Education. So today I'll upload video in it. So make sure you're subscribed. So let's start our discussion on Morpen Labs. Okay, so starting with delivery. So in every video I do the delivery analysis. So why? So now you'll understand the importance. So we know that after the results were declared, so we discussed that even though it has declared some very good results, the stock has hit the lower circuit and many people had one big question. So why like that? So now you'll understand. See that last 3 days traded versus deliverables. So you can see on May 4th we have seen almost 51.7% deliveries, and you can see as usual little traded quantity was present, and you can see there it has hit the lower circuit. Okay, you can see this was the first lower circuit, and after that if you go a little forward and if you see May 5th and May 6th, what can you observe? So clearly you can see the traded quantity is completely reducing because directly it is hitting the lower circuit, but you need to observe that deliveries are increasing. So first from 51.7 it has increased to 63.6, and yesterday you can see 100% deliveries were present. Okay, so directly 100% deliveries. So it is a confirmation that that particular region is going to be very important, that is the 56 and 60 rupees region. So that's why when it reached that particular level, so ultimately buying volume was generated and it has hit the upper circuit. Okay, hope you're understanding. So try to implement these particular things in other stocks also, so that you'll get some best results, and you'll also practice and you'll basically get some experience, and you can easily find out when any stock is about to retrace. So what are the primary things that you need to focus? Okay, so we're back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart. So always try to analyze on a larger time frame. So you can see the current price is around 61.80 and it has hit the upper circuit of 4.92%, and you can see this is the chart pattern. So basically you can see 2 weeks direct it has hit a very huge rally was seen. Basically completely you can see very big candles have been formed. So after whatever the fundraising, whatever updates were there, the quarter results, so all this effect was already present and the stock has rallied accordingly. So obviously when any stock goes to overbought region, we know little correction happens, and that is why we have seen the 3 to 4 days a little correction was present, and again it has started retracing. So now comes the most important support, clearly noted 60 is going to be important support. So that is one thing that you need to remember. So coming to next resistances, so that is very important. So resistance wise, next important region would be 65. Okay, so 65 is the next immediate resistance. So after 65 you can say ultimately it will come to the 70 rupees region. Okay, so next week is going to be very important. So make sure you're watching these levels very well, that is between 60-65. After that you need to focus on 70 plus. Okay, so moving forward, so let's see on 1 day chart. So in 1 day chart, clearly you can see this was the region that I was talking about. So basically the top of this particular region, that is around 56, roughly around that particular range. So basically we discussed that this particular region, that is 60 and 56, is going to be very important. So exactly from that particular region only today we have seen that buying momentum. So next coming, as I told, you need to focus on 65, because here you can see 65 is also very important. So first, after hitting the lower circuit, so that particular level has become very important. So focus on 65, and after that you can expect 70 plus also. So don't try to book loss, especially who people who have entered near 75, so 70, so in that particular regions, not 75, 70 plus, so who have entered there, so don't try to exit. Definitely the price will come and you can exit with good profit. Okay, so don't try to invest in heavy quantities. So that is also a secondary information I want to tell you. So try to invest in each and every dip, so that would be a little beneficial. And if you see money flow index, you can see that is still in overbought region, but it has come little bit down, not highly overbought, but you can say medium overboughtness is still present, but that may be compensated. Okay, so don't worry about that. So keep holding. So don't try to invest in heavy quantities. So hold the portions that are already holding from low levels, let's say 40, 50 levels. So don't try to sell. So further momentum may be also seen. Okay. So further, if you're having any doubts, message me in the comment section, and also connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. Okay. So there you can clarify all your doubts. So until then, stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.